Hey guys, welcome back to Ray's Extreme Engines. And here I have a LT1. Yes, the shop is a mess right now. Reason why, because I got the truck on the jack stands right now. It's leveled out. I'm doing some work on that. I'm doing the firewall, the wiring harness, everything that works on that one. Here's an LT1. It's got fully ported heads, ported intake, fully ported throttle body, flat top pistons, maul rings, keen bearings. It's got a painless wiring harness. Of course, your elbow's new, mass airflow sensor, new air cleaner, new water pump, new coil. All the injectors were completely cleaned out, and the ones that didn't work were replaced. Some sensors were replaced as well. So a lot of work went into this one. The OptiSpark was also replaced. It is an LT1, so it still needs to get tuned because of all the modifications that have been done. You're gonna hear the idle go up and down. Well, just needs to get a tuner, or you can go with the Holley Terminator X system and you can change it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. There you go. It actually sounds pretty good even though it's not tuned yet. So if you know somebody that can tune an LT1, there you go. If not, just go with the new Holley Terminator and change out the OptiSpark with the 24X. So here you are. Sounds good, doesn't it? Revs up fast, and LT1s are really good engines. I've seen them run 200,000 plus miles. I had a Corvette that actually had 200,000 plus miles, and it still had tons of power. So there you go. I just want to share with you an LT1. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Share this video. You'll see this one listed on Marketplace. You'll see that 383 down here, Stroker 383 listed on Marketplace. And again, you're going to see this LT1 and transmission that's used on Marketplace as well, and a turbo 400 transmission. I got to clear out shop. I got a lot of stuff. So again, thanks for watching. Share this video, and we'll see you in the next one.